The rest of this night, 70 and then 65. A murky start tomorrow, and then air temps climbing to around 80 to 82 tomorrow. Shower or storm will be possible. Light south wind continues today. That has warmed things up. That will continue again tomorrow, warming us up yet again, but that wind turns northwesterly into tomorrow afternoon. That should make for a significant cool down. So for now, we're still on that warm flow out of the southwest, the warm sector, but you can see the cooler air draped from Duluth to Green Bay to Toronto. It's out there, and it still has the ability to push into the mid-Atlantic. Won't happen over the next 24 hours, but it will happen by Saturday and the Sunday. You see right now and into the day tomorrow, we're going to stay in that nice warm flow, but the cooler air building across the northern plains, that's set to push into the mid-Atlantic as we go into the weekend. By the way, on and off rain, you bet, Friday afternoon and evening, and then into Saturday, maybe a briefly quiet start before showers come in Saturday afternoon, and then right into Sunday. On and off showers possible. Maybe we get some late day clearing on Sunday. I want to show you the Atlantic satellite just for a minute here. Tropical storm Arlene. You got to go back to 2003 to find another named tropical system in April. So this highly unusual, but Arlene expected to stay out here in the open Atlantic. This is noteworthy because it's so early. The hurricane season doesn't even officially start till June 1st. All right, 7-day forecast. Here we go. 82 on Friday. Into the weekend, rain develops, kind of tapers on and off throughout the weekend, and much cooler Saturday versus Friday.